Hello students, welcome to the video of 7th General Science. Today we are going to start chapter number 11, Cell Structure and Microorganism. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the cell, its structure and different types of microorganism. So let's start about the cell. You might have seen the brick wall. Brick wall is made up of small bricks, and these small bricks combine to form a big wall. Though the size of the brick is very small as compared to wall, but when we put them together they make a huge wall. So as the wall is made up of the small unit of the wall is brick, means to make the wall there must be small. We start the making wall with the help of brick. That's why the brick is the smallest unit of the wall. This small unit combine to each other to form the big wall. In the same way, bodies of human being and other living organisms are also made up of such type of small particles that we call the cell, and this cell combine to each other to form the bodies. So cell, let's discuss about the cell. Now cell structure is the characteristics of living thing. We know that different of characteristics of the living thing, and cellular structure is one of the characteristic of the living thing, and body of each living thing is made up of cell. As I told you, the each and every living thing, whether it may be plant or animal, insect or whatever it may be, the body of each living thing is made up of cells. And some animals are made up of single cell only. Their body is made up of only single cell. That animals we call them unicellular. We will learn this type of animals in the last year. And some animals are made up of, their body is made up of many cells. We call them multicellular. Humans, dog, cat, elephant, these are the examples of the multicellular animals. Now what is cell? Cell is actually the basic unit of life, means life start with the single cell, and cell is a fundamental structural and functional unit of life, means without cell life is impossible. All functions in living things are performed by the cell, means producing energy, respiration, excretion, reproduction, movement. These all functions are performed by the cell. That's why it is fundamental functional unit of life. Cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665, and Anton van Leeuwenhoek observed the cell under microscope, means he magnified the cell and studied its structure under the microscope. Cell is the smallest part. They combine together to form the tissue. Tissue are combined to form the organ, and different organ to form the organ system, and this organ system together to form the organism. Means cell, these cells combine 1, 2, 3, 4,000 to form the tissue. It is the group of the cell, and this tissue again combined to form the organ. Different types of organs are present in our body, and these organs are made up of the different types of tissue, and then it forms the organ system. And combining these different types of organ systems in our body together form the organisms. Means cell is the basic unit of life. When we observe the cell under the microscope, you can see the size of the cell, and clearly it shows the nucleus of the cell, and other organelles are also present in the nucleus. Let's see about these different organelles in the cell. Now let's see about the parts of the organelles in the animal cell. You can see that mitochondria, cell membrane, vacuole, nucleus, Golgi body, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome. These are organelles present in the animals. animal cell is shown in the picture, and these are the organelles like nucleus, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, cell membrane, reticulum, ribosome. These are the organelles in the animal cell, and this is the figure of the plant cell. You can see that some organelles in the plant cell are cell membrane, cell wall, vacuole, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, mitochondrion, and chloroplast is also present in the plant cell. If we compare animal cell and plant cell, you can easily see that mitochondrion, vacuole, reticulum, nucleus, Golgi body, cell membrane, and ribosome are commonly present in both cell, but in plant cell, cell wall, chloroplast, and cytoplasm are present, and in animal cell, uh, lysosome is present, which is absent in the plant cell, and cytoplasm, chloroplast, cell wall, these are not present in the animal cell. And this figure shows the different organelles in the plant cell as well as in the animal cell.